all of my mind, God. I love you, Jesus. With my heart and my soul, God said, I love you, Jesus, for everything that you've done, God. Yeah, I love you, Jesus. Oh, because you first loved me. Oh, God, because you first loved me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Said, I love you, Jesus.
I love you, Jesus.
With all that I have, God. Yeah, yeah. Said, I love you, Jesus.
I love you, Jesus.
For all that you've done, God. Said, now, I love you, Jesus.
I love you, Jesus.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Because you first loved me, God. Because you first loved me. Oh, because you first loved me, Jesus. Oh, because you first loved me. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh,
Gambiru yanga yote ndiabafuna Yesu. Gambu ya waka wote ndiabafuna Yesu. Gazote sebanyitera ndiabafuna Yesu. Because He first loved me. Yeah. Oh, because He first loved me. Nel sitio ya mionge nyatsanza Jesu nange kono yami nyakufuna Jesu nyatsanza wena wetwa. Oh, wena Jesu because you first loved me. Oh, yeah, because you first loved me. Yeah. I said I love you, Jesus.
I love you, Jesus.
Yes. Yeah.
I love you, Jesus.
Jesus, I love you. I love you. You brought me from a deep muddy
I
clay
love you,
and
Jesus.
placed my feet on King's Highway. You made me Jesus.
Because
you first loved me. Oh, I love you. Yeah. Oh, I love you. Say, with all of my heart and my soul, yes I do. Yes, I love you, Jesus. I love you, Jesus. Yeah. I love you. Yeah. I love you, Jesus. Oh, I love you, Jesus. Oh, yeah. I love you and I love you. I love you, Jesus. You alone, the light unto my feet. I love you, I love you.
say, no, I love you, Jesus. Yeah, I love you, Jesus. With all that I have, God. With my mind, body, and soul, God. With everything that I have, God. Say I love you. Say I love you. I said I love you. Say I love you. Yeah. Say I love you, Jesus. Hey. For all that you've done, God. For all that you've done for me, God. Say I love. Oh, because, yeah. Because you first loved me. Oh, because you first loved me.